Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one video per day informing you about what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on us so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Brad. How Gate.io grew to become one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, 9 years retrospective. Gate.io is one of the longest-running secure exchanges in the world and over time, surpassed 10 million users worldwide. To mark this milestone, the exchange is launching a rebranding and a sweepstake with $9 million in prizes. Read on to find out more about what makes Gate.io such a success and what the team has in store for users as part of its 9th anniversary. Gate.io's journey to business legend. Founded in 2013, Gate.io is one of the longest-running secure exchanges in the world. Subsequently, it has grown to offer over 1,400 cryptocurrencies and become a platform that provides a wealth of trading services to its users. Its portfolio of products includes Startup that allows users to invest in projects early, NFT Magic Box that allows the creation and trading of NFTs, something trendy right now, Gate Chain, its native blockchain system, and Gate Ventures, the venture capital investment division. One of the several secrets to Gate.io's success is that it was one of the first to build a comprehensive solution for users on one platform, an ecosystem of digital assets. To date, Gate.io has grown and gone through a developmental curve, updating itself and gaining several achievements based on courageous innovation, being user-centric, and focused on global market improvement. Its wide range of product and service offerings has also led to the rise of the platform's popularity, with the platform surpassing 10 million users. 2020 was a crucial year for Gate.io because Gate.io achieved much critical growth. Knowing that the global crypto market was expanding incredibly quickly, Gate.io launched Startup in January 2020 to give investors around the world a convenient way to come across hidden gems and strike it lucky on the next big thing. Startup is Gate.io's very own blockchain project's discounts platform, and with the platform, users can gain early access to new and innovative projects. Many success stories have been listed on the platform, with users seeing high ROIs. GT, the native token of Gate Chain mainnet, was upgraded and formally became the exchange token for Gate.io, renamed Gate Token. In May of that same year, the company became the first mainstream trading platform to offer 100% margin audit certification. One of the core problems regarding crypto exchanges is transparency, which primarily involves the proof of reserves. Customers need to know and confirm that the service they are using does hold 100% of their funds. Gate.io came up with a smart solution, utilizing the Merkle tree approach to give customers the ability to verify that Gate.io entirely holds their fund. The 100% margin audit certification service offers users a sense of relief and security that they are investing safely. Gate uses an independent and cryptographically verified audit to help with the audit process and to reassure users on the platform further. Some of the other milestones in Gate.io's journey have been the launch of the DeFi ecosystem and labs incubator program by Gate Chain, a high-performance permissionless blockchain in February 2021, allowed more blockchain projects to deploy their contracts on Gate Chain's interoperable ecosystem successfully. In May 2021, Gate Chain mainnet officially supported the EVM smart contract module. NFT Magic Box, a creation and auction platform built to be the finest NFT trading platform for mintage, creation, promotion, and auction, was launched in June 2021 during the 8th anniversary of Gate.io. In September 2021, Gate.io launched Gate Ventures, an early-stage crypto venture capital fund. And in January 2022, Gate.io exceeded 10 million users worldwide. 9th Anniversary Celebration. To celebrate Gate.io's 9th anniversary, a 9th anniversary celebration will kick off in mid-May. Along with a series of celebrations to give back to users, the Gate.io brand will also receive a major upgrade. A brand new look for Gate.io. Gate.io will reveal a revamped brand identity for its logo, slogan, and color scheme, reflecting the culmination of 9 years of digital asset innovation since founded in 2013. Gate.io has matured to offer a more inclusive, integrated, and unique experience with a wealth of digital asset services for over 10 million users. The rebranding also marks the beginning of a new chapter for Gate.io in the rapidly evolving and growing crypto economy, which frequently sees the platform reach the second-largest daily trading volume in the world to trade on Gate.io's apps. Alongside its new brand identity, Gate.io will launch a notable update to its mobile app that will allow users to opt for a light app version within its flagship app, offering streamlined and simplified in-app transactions for crypto trading of more than 1,400 coins, tokens, and other digital assets. In addition, the Lite app's cleaner, more user-friendly interface makes it even easier for new and existing users to invest and trade quickly and efficiently as they can access a suite of features for different crypto assets on the go. Celebrate with Gate.io. To kick off the 9th birthday festivities, users can take part in a series of exciting contests and promotions, with a total of $9 million in prizes. The Gold Bar campaign on Twitter, which launches on May 18th, gives participating Gate.io users the chance to win a prize pool worth $50,000 in tokens, and one lucky winner will win a 999-gram 999.9 gold bar. Gate.io will also be hosting NFT and trading contests for its users as part of the celebrations. Binance took just 5 minutes to get over a loss of $1.6 billion in Luna. Binance CEO, CZ, has released chat logs detailing how the company spent just 5 minutes deciding to let billions of dollars go to zero. Binance CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao has released the chat logs of the company's internal leadership team during the Terra crisis. The records detail a conversation between CZ and Binance head of product Mayur Komet in which they discuss what to do with Binance's 15 million Luna, once worth $1.6 billion. The coins were part of the company's initial $3 million investment in Terra and are now worth just $2,700. Giving up billions. In a tweet thread from May 16, CZ said, Binance will let this go and ask the Terra project team to compensate retail's users first and Binance last, if ever. The release of the chat logs showcases that this decision took just 5 minutes to decide. In a text message to CZ, Komet stated, "Users first." The ability to decide to forego billions of dollars to put its users first is something extremely alien to traditional capital markets. A CEO has a fiduciary duty to make decisions that best serve the company, not necessarily its customers. Both groups' interests are often correlated, yet Binance could have saved hundreds of millions of dollars by selling its Luna tokens amid the crisis. Not doing so stopped the situation from being even worse, if possible, and means that Terra Luna will remove 15 million Luna coins from the new Luna fork. A comment from Komet reviewing the events reads, "You will see signs that tell you that you are working in an extraordinary company. It will usually be in decisions made when things were hard. That said, I have never worked anywhere where we made them this quickly. Money is fungible, even in large amounts. But user trust is much harder to gain and much faster to lose. Prioritize the important and protect the users the best you can." Komet's logic makes a strong case for the decision to let billions of dollars disappear being in the best interest of Binance long term. A company being seen to protect its users at a considerable cost to itself may well be one that users prefer. Was this just a PR exercise? However, it is also possible that Binance could not have done anything about the $1.6 billion Luna coins even if it had wanted to do so. This may all be a PR move, and the release of the screenshots is simply part of a campaign to promote a positive image of the company. Gaining access to private keys for exchange-held wallets is notoriously tricky by design. The use of multi-sig wallets or splitting private keys among key leadership members is often used to protect against embezzlement and fraud. It took less than 48 hours for Luna to crash 98% down to just $1 per coin. At this point, UST was trading around 21 cents, and Do Kwon and the LFG team began selling tens of thousands of Bitcoin to restore the peg. By May 11, UST had reached 79 cents, and there were signs of a recovery. However, the algorithmic relationship between UST and Luna caused the latter to crash down to $0.000000136 by May 13. At this point, Binance Luna coins were worth just $20.40. CZ's tweet detailing that Binance would not be moving or selling its 15 million Luna arrived on May 16. Therefore, unless Binance decided not to sell the Luna coins before May 10, the coins did not hold any real value anyway. Will Binance list LUNC? Whatever the reason for not selling the tokens, it is still a nice gesture to the Terra community that one of the original investors is willing to forego any airdrop so as not to dilute the rest of the ecosystem. However, an alternative theory is that Binance wants nothing to do with the new chain and may not even list it after its release. Two chains will be created on May 27 when the fork occurs. The new chain will be named $LUNA, and the current chain will rename $LUNC. Will Binance list both coins or choose to remove itself from the Terra system entirely? Write your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!